Hello, good people. How are you all? Let's talk about a different crypto site. You are already seeing that is a Birani swap. A question can arise in your mind. What is Birani swap? Well, Birani swap is a decentralized exchange running on Binance Smart Chain with yield farming and Raita pools spin feature that let you earn and win tokens. As like real biryani that you eat in many restaurants, it is delicious, yummy farming spin feature that let you earn and win tokens. Not only this, but the Birani Swap is a best one and brand new decentralized exchange that is soon going to launch and adopt Binance Smart Chain. The best part is that it is already offering multiple reward systems like by holding Cola tokens. Cola will be used for earn other tokens like Burn, Raita, Binance USD and Binance Coin. Cola is supportive and fast farming token in Birani Swap farm made in Binance Smart Chain. Holders of Cola token will get used $400 Raita token as bonus. Holding Cola will give you multiple benefits. Will able to claim Safe Home airdrop, Raita airdrop, Birani Swap farming airdrop and high staking with Birani Swap pools. Here is the Telegram group. If you want, you can join. You can earn free token by Lucky Spin and it worth from $10 up to $1,000. First attempt is free and you can buy for next try. By using the Binance Coin Smart Chain, it is more fast and easy to use in all Binance Smart Chain transactions and also gives good secure support through its platform. As all farming decks are increasing their supply and burning less. Here Birani Swap are unique than other like never mint single Birani token more than 100k. Another advantage of using or farming in Birani Swap is you will get total two kind of tokens. One is their main DEX token and another is Raita as bonus. It's free to sell anytime. But 50% of Birani token will be locked for 1 year. So hurry up and hold your token before it is locked. Besides, they have some campaign program. They have Twitter campaign, Reddit campaign, Telegram campaign, blogging campaign. You can also stake coin by their campaign. Birani Swap is already offering multi-reward system by holding Cola tokens. Why you will miss this chance? Go join their campaign and secure your Cola tokens.